Hello everyone!
Hello, teacher.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Welcome to our class, Welcome to our class. Hello!
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm happy. I'm really happy. I'm hungry. I am sleepy. I'm scared. I'm surprised. I'm excited.
Okay, now let's start with the days of the week. Okay, so the first one is Monday. Repeat, Monday.
Monday,
Tuesday,
Tuesday,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday,
Thursday,
Friday,
Friday,
Saturday,
Saturday,
and Sunday.
Sunday,
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then it's
Sunday.
Sunday. Now we're going to sing the weather song. What's the weather? What's the weather? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny today? Is it rainy today? Is it cloudy today? So is today hot, mild, or cold?
It's rainy and cold. It's sunny and hot.
Okay, let's sing the number song. Everybody, please show me your one. Show me one finger, please. One finger. Are you ready? One, show me one, show me one, show me one finger. One and two, two, show me two, show me two, show me two fingers. One, two, and three. Three, show me three, show me three, show me three fingers. One, two, three, four. Four, show me four, show me four, show me four fingers. And the last one, one, two, three, four, and five. Five, show me five, show me five, show me five fingers. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. Once again, red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing the rainbow, sing the rainbow, sing the rainbow too.